Alright, Shalom Makim. This is the brother La'Akshanan from the GMS Seattle camp. First and foremost, I want to give all praises to Yahweh Shem Yahushai, double honors to the elders of GMS, and Shalom to the sincere brothers out there preaching the truth, the correct doctrine that we receive from the elders and on down and whatnot. I'm going to just bring out a quick scripture. This is Isaiah 26:8, and it reads, "Yea, in the way of thy judgments, O Lord, have we waited for thee. The desire of our soul is to thy name and to the remembrance of thee." And I'm bringing this out because the scripture says that the desire of our soul is to thy name. That's talking about Israel, man. It's to our desire is to the name of the Most High, Yahweh Shem Yahushai. So that's a cut on Nate saying that the name of the Most High is known, the name of Yahushai is known, when the scripture right here clearly says that the desire of our soul is to the name of the Most High, man. So that name is very important. And with that, hope you brothers was edified. All praise to the Most High, Yahweh Shem Yahushai. Shalom.